Take a ride in the 2018 Edge. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, inside you'll find backup camera, Bluetooth, smart device integration, trip computer, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cargo net, compass, thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.